This might shock you. Forget what you know about having a website portfolio before getting a job in tech. Hey, it's a girl Pamela. If you're new to my channel, happy to have you here. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button so more people can benefit from the knowledge I'm sharing in this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how I got my first deals as a UI UX designer without having a portfolio website. So let's get right into it. The first deals I got after transitioning into tech as a UI UX designer was with my CV that I had all links to my Figma design. And yes, I didn't really have anything on Behance. You know how Behance case studies or projects can be very detailed and all of that. I had a 9-to-5 job that was in a tech role, and I really didn't have the time to put all of that case study on Behance together, but I did my best as at then. So as a professional CV writer and a LinkedIn optimization expert, this was a CV that I used to get my first deals when I transitioned. This is what I did. So I picked the key designs I have that speaks volume, and I put it on this CV and I titled it "Link to my portfolio. Please click. Thank you." So I used a different color just to highlight that section and make it much more visible. Don't be scared to try something different. Do you, be flexible, have an open mind. Nothing is cast in stone.